Why did the AI go to art school? Because it wanted to learn how to draw better conclusions.
Hi everybody, how are you today? Today I am going to teach you how to create little cartoons with sticky figures just like the one you guys just saw. Let's take a look and see how easy it is to do. And you can use this to put on your Instagram, your Facebook, even on LinkedIn. It's really nice and very easy to do. Let's go to it. First, we are going to go to Adobe Express Animator. Once you get there, you're going to log in, okay? Make sure that it's Adobe Express Animator and not just Adobe Express, okay? Because there's a big difference. This one is free. Then all you have to do is click on Create Now. Once you click on Create Now, you come to this area here. This is where you would be creating this, choosing the character that you want to create. Since you're here, there are 3 different tabs that you can see on the right hand side here. So first we have the characters. This is where you're going to choose the character that you want. And you can see here on the right hand side that there are a lot of them. And you can actually select the category. So the category that I wanted, I'm going to select all, okay? And I need to really scroll down for me to find what I want to use. Look, you could even use, it's so cute, the notebook paper, right? A ruler. It's cute, but I want the sticky, and this is what I wanted to use, okay? So that's the character I want. Now I need to select the background. There are different backgrounds here. Notice gateway, bedroom, spring clover, spring flowers, and so on. And there are a lot of options here. Really, really cute. So we need to select one. And I am going to select school. So this is the one right here. Now, I could now move this little character around. I can decrease the size of the character. And this is what I'm gonna do. You decrease the size of the character so it can fit. It can fit here in front of the blackboard. Now I need to get a voice for my little character. All I want to do for my listeners is I want everybody to be able to do it all for free. That's the whole point, okay? And there's a place that is free. It's called Clipchamp. You go to Clipchamp, and by the way, I'm going to leave a link to Clipchamp and for Adobe Express Animator, all in the description for you, okay? So don't worry about it. Once you get to Clipchamp here, you can sign in. Clipchamp is free. It's a Windows product. If you're using a MacBook or a Mac, I don't know if you are going to be able to use Clipchamp. It's a Windows product. Still, I'm going to create a new video. You click on create a new video, okay? Now, the next thing is you are going to go to record and create, and this is the one that I want. I want to use the text to speech. Click on that, and then right here, I am going to paste my text. Now, there are different options here. On the right, you will see that it could be in English, could be in other languages. Mine is okay being English United States. And then the voice. So we have so many of them. But I think I'm gonna try to see if Brandon Multilingual will do. You need to play it to be able to see if it's going to work for you, if the voice is fine. So here's my preview.
Why did the AI go to art school? Because it wanted to learn how to draw better conclusions.
Okay, I like it. Okay, so now all I need to do is click save. And then now I just need to export. And it doesn't matter how you export here, because you're just exporting. Basically, all you want to do is to use the sound. Right now, it's thinking that you're trying to export a whole video, so it's going to be in an MP4 format. And there it is, okay? But what we need to do is go to another site to convert this MP4 to an MP3, so it's just the sound, okay? So I'm going to go to something called Cloudconvert. And again, another one that's completely free. You need to log in. And we want to convert a video, right here, and an MP4, and you select to audio MP3. And all I need to do is select the file. I downloaded the sound. Now I go back to my little video. So I could record, or I could just browse for a file. Okay, so the files that they accept, look, I didn't even have to convert anything. I could use MP3, AIF, WAV, and MP4 files. So I could have used an MP4. I use that Cloudconvert so much because this is how I make videos for the company I work for. So that's the reason I did what I did, is out of sheer habit. Okay, it's better. So now I go to browse and I find my little MP3, but notice I could have used the MP4 here too. And then I open. And there it is. And you could open in Adobe Express, but I'd rather download it. And this is exactly what you guys saw in the beginning of this video. And there it is, everybody. I hope you found this to be easy. It's not complicated at all. You can skip the step of converting it from MP4 to MP3, but at least now you know there is a free way of doing it as well. I will be making more videos for next week. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you have a comment, leave a comment, please. This really helps the algorithm to release my videos to more people. And if you would like to subscribe to this channel, why not? Every week I have something new for you. I will see you next week. Until then, bye!